A county of great opportunity in the area of horticulture, in the area of tourism, in the area of trade. And we are looking forward to being able to serve the micro and small enterprises of Machakos County so that we are able to give them an opportunity to do their collections, an opportunity to do their payments, an opportunity to access credit facilities that fit within their profile.
The agricultural sector in the county is well developed, creating more opportunities for SMEs involved in agribusiness and agro-processing. Banking is very crucial to trade and development of any society. The days of barter trade are long gone, where you would go and exchange goods in the marketplace. Today you need to have a foundation, and that foundation and the medium is really to help you transact, and that's where banks come in.